Hey, it's Ange
And Jeff.
from Disney Dream, and we are here at Animal Kingdom Lodge Jumbo House.
That's
We're going to show you some of the decorations. We're going to show you the very first, what's it called? Gingeraffe.
Gingeraffe.
So it's a gingerbread giraffe.
Can you see it?
Yeah, we'll try to get in there. I know they're working on it right now.
They're working on it, putting the final touches on it.
Yeah, we have to be careful.
It's actually 12 midnight.
Yeah, let's take a look at it.
It's late. Okay guys, we are at the Animal Kingdom Lodge Jumbo House. They are putting up the Gingeraffe right here, right here. This is the Gingeraffe. We'll go they're putting some finishing touches on. We'll get a closer look in a little bit. Pretty darn cool.
So first of all, we wanted to show you this gorgeous tree. Now that's a tree, right? Nice big tree. And all the decorations on the banisters. Look at that. Gorgeous. So there is the Gingeraffe. They are working on him over there. He's made out of gingerbread and chocolate and all the good stuff. So I don't think they really want us too close, but we can look from afar over here till it's finished. So there's a little store. It's closed right now, but there's some Christmas decorations in there. And then over here is a tree. And then over in that corner by the door is another tree. And then over here, that's where the big tree is. So awesome. Yeah, this is our favorite thing to do, is just walk here into this lobby. Just look at the tree. Amazing.
So we're checking out the lower lobby here. So the main lobby's up here. Lower lobby's down here. There's two nicely decorated trees down here as well. And there's the Gingeraffe right there. So first time they've had a display of gingerbread here at the Animal Kingdom Lodge. With these trees decorated so nicely. Alrighty, here is the completed Gingeraffe. Looking good. 2 ears, 2 noses, 2 horns, 2 nostrils, I should say. Lots of great detail. He's even got a tail. This is right inside the Jumbo House. And there's the tree. And they also have the tail of the tape over here about the Gingeraffe. Look at that. 16 to 18 feet. Oh, that's for giraffes. That's not about this giraffe. But this giraffe is probably a good 10 feet tall. That's about 10 feet.
10 feet tall.
No?
It's literally on a podium. It's probably a good 7.
7 feet?
8.
I'm 6 feet.
7 or 8. It's on a
Probably
podium.
like 6'8".
7 something.
Okay. I stand corrected then.